Choosing the right underwear for skin-tight workout gear can be challenging, especially when it comes to avoiding visible panty lines. To combat this, consider going commando with thicker workout pants, using panty liners designed for activewear, or selecting seamless thongs or G-strings made of nylon or spandex for minimal visibility. Stick-on thongs can be a great option as they eliminate panty lines completely, while seamless panties offer comfort without obvious lines. Boy shorts and skin-tight shorts can provide extra coverage, but may not be suitable for very tight clothing. Opt for thicker fabrics to reduce see-through issues and choose fun patterns or dark colors to help disguise any potential lines. Lastly, ensure your workout gear fits properly to prevent any bunching.